Be careful. Nagalit siya kasi kinuha ni Siopaw ang itlog. Minsan nangingitlog sila dyan, pero ayaw nila dito. Gona, oy. You didn't harvest yesterday?
No.
Okay. That's why we pick up a lot. How many? 20?
Oh no, it's missing one. Oh no, and there. Oh, many. Not enough in there.
Smile sa. Hala! Look at your foot! Wa ka nagsinias? Pastilan ka. Okay, talaga, let's go.